Hi everyone. How are you, all of you? Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, I'm doing fantastic and fit and fine. If you want to improve your English, you have to doing practice every day. Don't have any key without practicing. That's why just I'm practicing, and I'd love to request to you guys. If you get any free time, you try to practice more and more. Without practicing, you are unable to improve your English. Uh, just whenever you going to practicing first time and beginning time, that time you making mistake, that doesn't matter. Making mistake is part of learning. Without making mistake, we are unable to just learning anything. It is true, it is reality. I'd like to request you, just all of throw out all afraid of about making mistake. uh, if you want to improve your English, if you want to increase your English, you have to throw out all of afraid. You have to throw out afraid of making mistake. It is biggest enemy for your learning. Yeah, I call that it is biggest enemy for your learning. Just afraid of making mistake. Uh, you whenever you was children, you was unknown person about your mother tongue. uh, just you those times just you try to say something in your mother tongue. That time you was making mistake lot of acquire your language. But English is not our native language. It is a foreign language. uh, if you want to acquire this language, uh, first time just you are going to practicing, you be making mistake. That does not matter. You will be making mistake. That doesn't matter. So now I'm making a video. I'm also making mistake lot of, but uh, I have to improve my English. That's why just I have to try my best about improving my English. That's why just I'm practicing. I try to practicing more and more. Without practicing, you are unable to improve, because practicing is biggest key for your improving your English. Yeah. Okay. Today no more now. Just keep practicing, keep learning, keep listening. It is all a part of learning in English. Okay. Uh, hope to see you again. Hope to see you another day. Assalamu alaikum.